enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it.
Hey guys, it's your girl Khadija. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button.
Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Esty. I'ma at you like Jesse.
So y'all, we are on the road to 10K. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Also, let them know to subscribe to me. I did already do this intro, but I was like, I wasn't feeling it. I was looking a mess. So we're gonna redo it, and y'all gonna see it's gonna continue. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. I just wanted to pop in here to let y'all know that this video is sponsored by USA Bag. So y'all hit me up and asked me if, you know, we could do a little collab, and I said, of course. Why not? So y'all, look what I got. So I'm about to open it with y'all on camera. I'm so excited to open it. So we about to rip it open. If you're ready. It's so cute, y'all. So this is their Dior bag, and it comes with the little gold strap. So cute. I'm literally in love, y'all. It comes with the Christian Dior card. And let's see what this is. This is the authenticity card. I think that's how you see it. I mean, not card, but it's kind of like a booklet, I guess. But this is so cute, y'all. So let's open it up. Y'all, I got a wallet too. Oh, this is tea. Y'all, this is so cute. And it also says Christian Dior inside the wallet. I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all, this is gonna be my favorite bag. I'm literally gonna wear this bag every day. I literally love it. Make sure y'all go shop with them. Use my code KING, KING, for 5% off. All their contact information will be down below. I will put their website, their WhatsApp, their number, whatever y'all need. Please go shop with them. I'm like literally in love with this bag. It has like little card holders right here. And then it's even a pocket in the bag, y'all. Like, what more can you ask for? Let's take the plastic off. I am so excited. These bags are perfect for everyday errands, shopping. If you need to just throw something on, like you want to be cute though, throw this bag on. There's literally nothing more you can ask for, and their prices are nice and reasonable, so it don't get no better than this. Y'all, if y'all see me wearing this, y'all know where I got it from. That's all I gotta say. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them know to subscribe to me also. But yeah, y'all, I know I haven't been too consistent. I think my last video was maybe a few days ago. But y'all, I've been very busy. I've been in the process of moving. I don't know if I told y'all this. I feel like I said it a million times, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. But I've been in the process of moving, so my life is very stressful right now. Well, I'm not going to say stressful, but I just got a lot going on. We're gonna say that. So y'all don't even want to see. I got boxes everywhere. Nothing is unpacked. Yeah, but today I guess I'm gonna kind of do like a Sunday reset, even though it's Wednesday. But that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna be doing a Sunday reset today. I'm gonna be getting myself together. You're gonna see me unpack some of these boxes. I need to get this hair. I need to get this hair together. I think I'm gonna just wash it because I'm starting school soon, so I don't want to do anything to it, and then I have to take it out for my school hairstyle because it's too early to get my school hairstyle. So I'm just gonna wash it and style it in a way that looks better than this because I look crazy. So yeah, we're gonna get this hair together. We're gonna get this room together. Maybe do some cleaning, organizing. I don't know. They're just gonna come along with me today. We'll be picking my back to school winner very, very soon. Like maybe in the next few days. I meant to say back to school giveaway winner very, very soon. Maybe in the next few days or so. So I'm not gonna really tell y'all. Y'all just gonna be surprised if you win. Then obviously you knew that I picked the winner. And y'all, my back to school haul is coming very, very soon. I just ordered some Skims last night, so that'll be a part of the video. So that'll be in the back to school haul. But I also have some other stuff that I already ordered, and then I have to go to the mall and do like a mall run. I will take y'all along with me. When that time comes too, I'm gonna do like a back to school clothing shopping haul, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, y'all, let's get my life together.
Sticking out in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirl. Make a big for the rush of the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'm a high school, we got like Resty. I'ma act you like Leslie. Dance floor, nasty, impress me. How many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no homo. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. You see the way you short, my love. Hey, you got some grace in the trunk, my love. Yeah. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love?
I'm in Walmart, y'all, so just looking at some stuff, but it's called Strawberry Dream. It smells so good. It kind of smells like Bath and Body Works strawberry pound cake. It smells so good. I need this, y'all.
Saw you walking this way and I was like, that reminded me when I need to get it.
So yeah, I did end up getting the EOS lotion. I didn't even update y'all after that. Like, what was I thinking? I don't know, but let me show y'all. Okay, I got it, and it smells so good, y'all. I already used it when I got out the shower this morning, and I smell like a bakery. I also got the vanilla cashmere, y'all. Mix the vanilla cashmere and strawberry dreams together. It's the best combo ever, and it's like 2 times stronger because you're mixing both of them together, so it lasts. Like, I just smell so good, and the vanilla cashmere gives it like that extra punch of like vanilla. Y'all gotta try it. Anyways, back to the video.
How many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see the way shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis and see my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
What time y'all thought I was recording? I wasn't.
I know he's a pro. Rari's a roll. World limbos. You know I got fans, boy. And it's in my pants, boy. Disrespect them old boys. You won't speak again. Don't think that I'm playing, boy. No, we
Okay, y'all, your girl is back. I'm back. So I'm gonna do some bottom lashes really quick. Now, I'm gonna do my brows really quick, like speedy, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm finally done. Your girl is finally back to herself. Like I said, I've been looking a mess for a while, but y'all can see the lashes are done. And I did my brows too. But yeah, that was kind of like my Sunday reset. I don't know. I just had to get myself together. I was just feeling a mess. I was moving for a week and my energy was low, and yeah, but now, oh yeah, and I just posted some TikToks. Make sure you go follow my TikTok and my Instagram. I posted it on my Instagram too, so make sure you go follow that account too. Stay updated with me, and I post on there a lot, so if y'all want to see more of me, go follow me on all my social medias, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna finish making some of my TikToks, and then I'll come back to y'all.
How many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Yeah. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis and see my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I basically finished putting it together. I'm just putting the shows in now, so.
Like Leslie, hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you.
Okay, y'all, let me put the one at the bottom in. and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm done. So this is what it's looking like. I put it together by myself. I have like a plan to put like my purses up there. You know, all my cute purses. I don't know, y'all, but we're gonna make it real cute. I might gotta like buy some more things to go on there as I go. But as of right now, I don't know yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of, you know, play around with it, see how I want it. I might look up like some inspo on Pinterest, but yeah, y'all, it's done. Oh, and if y'all want to know, I got it from Walmart. But yeah, y'all, I got it from Walmart. So yeah, if y'all want to know, it was like $38, $40, something like that. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. Y'all came through like a course of like a week with me, kind of resetting, getting my life together. Like I said, I was sat down for like a few days. I was just moving. I was busy. I had a lot of stuff going on. My room is nice and put together now, so I'm not going to show you yet because I'm planning on doing a room tour very soon. I have to like order some decorations and stuff because I have no decorations right now. But let me just show you my bookcase right now. I didn't put all my purses on it yet, but let me just show you really quick. Okay, yeah, I gotta finish putting my cute purses up there, but I'm gonna do a room tour very soon. Comment down below some video ideas, y'all, because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just be like thinking of what videos I should do, so some ideas from y'all would actually help. And comment some back to school ideas that y'all want to see, because I am starting school in like 2 weeks. So when school starts, it's not really back to school, so I'm going to try to get them all out now. So let me know, y'all, and I will drop whatever y'all tell me to drop. But some ideas that I have, I'm going to do a back to school maintenance vlog. We're going to do prep with me for back to school, first day of school, get ready with me, and then I'm gonna do a school vlog. I'm in a new school, so like I'm not gonna have other people in it. It's just gonna be me, but that'll come over time. Y'all will see like school vlogs with, you know, other people in it. And some other stuff that I can't even think of. Oh, and I'm gonna do back to school clothing shopping. That's coming out very soon because I'm gonna go to the mall and get some clothes. I want to get some yall leggings, so y'all are gonna see that too. But stay tuned for all that. Stay tuned, y'all. But like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 10K. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them know to subscribe to me. Also, apply for the giveaway in the description below. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.